Presentation, I'll be explaining what blockchain is by Allison Garland. Starters, blockchain technology is a system of recording information so that it's difficult to be changed or hacked to spread false information. It is a type of distributed ledger technology that works by duplicating and distributing transactions across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. So, why is blockchain important? Before blockchain, there were many attempts to create digital currency. However, they have all failed due to issues with trust. Blockchain changed this when it was invented for Bitcoin, the most well known cryptocurrency today. Blockchain changed the way we are able to use digital money because it is run by the people who use it. Additionally, it cannot be hacked or faked, so people can trust the value of the cryptocurrency. How is this technology being used now? Beyond Bitcoin, blockchain has many real life applications that are already being used today. For example, since blockchain is decentralized, it gives customers a safe way to eliminate the middleman in their service transactions. It can also provide a safe way of tracking banking contracts and data. Lastly, it can be used to better track important information in supply chains. So, what does the future of blockchain look like? Because of how it is being used now, it is predicted that blockchain will influence many different types of markets. It will likely influence finance professionals and will have many new uses.